Question is about the results obtained from a tensile test on a MS specimen. MS stands for mild steel. Diameter of specimen is given as 16 mm. Gauge length is 80 mm. L is equal to 80 mm. Extension at a load of 75 kilonewton, that is delta L, is equal to 0.15 mm at a load W equal to 75 kilonewton. Load at yield point, let me write it as W subscript yield equal to 90 kilonewton. Maximum load is actually the load at ultimate stress, that is W ultimate equal to 130 kilonewtons. Length at fracture is given as 106 mm. Diameter of the neck is 9.8 mm. First is we need to compute modulus of elasticity. Next is ultimate stress, working stress, percentage of elongation and percentage of reduction. So bit A is for Young's modulus. First, area of cross section, that is pi by 4 times of 16 square, which is equal to 64 pi mm square it is. Stress at 75 kilonewton load, that is sigma equal to P by area. Load is 75 kilonewton. 75 into 10 power 3 divided by 64 pi. This is equal to 373 Newton per mm square. Strain produced equal to epsilon equal to change in length by original length. Change in length is 0.15 and original length is 80 mm. So this gives us 1.875 into 10 power minus 3 mm per mm. Next is Young's modulus. E is equal to stress by strain, that is sigma by epsilon, which is 373 divided by 1.875 into 10 power minus 3. This upon calculation, the answer is closer to 2 into 10 power 5 Newton per mm square. Bit B is computation of stress at yield point. Load at yield point is given as 90 kilonewtons, that is P at yield point divided by area, that is 90 into 10 power 3 divided by 64 pi. This is 447.6 Newton per mm. Bit number C is working stress by considering factor of safety as 3. So working stress equal to how much considering factor of safety as 3? That is maximum stress is equal to maximum load divided by area of cross section. Maximum load is obtained at the ultimate stress point. So maximum load value is given as 130 kilonewtons. 130 divided by 64 pi, which gives us 646.56 Newton per mm square. and working stress is equal to maximum stress divided by factor of safety, which is 646.56 divided by 3, which is 149.2 Newton per mm square. Next is percentage of elongation, that is equal to change in length, initial length minus final length, or final length minus initial length divided by initial length into 100%. That is, final length is 106, that is at the fracture, and initial length is 80 mm. 106 minus 80 divided by 80 into 100%. This is 26 by 80. Approximately, the value is 32.5%. Next is percentage of reduction in cross section. C/S stands for cross section. So this is final area minus initial area by initial area into 100%. So this is having a diameter. That means pi by 4 is common for the numerator as well as for denominator. So final diameter, that is reduction. Initial diameter is 16 mm and final is 9.8 mm. So this is 9.8 square minus 16 square divided by 16 square into pi by 4. So pi by 4 in the numerator and pi by 4 in the denominator will get cancelled into 100%. This is equal to minus 62.48. This is the reduction. So negative value signifies about reduction in the diameter.